Oh, oh. Hi guys. I guess I'll start now. So today, uh, we're gonna talk about photosynthesis. Yeah. So it's like how plants make food. So I hope you'll find this interesting. Okay. So like the plants take sunlight and they mix it with water and carbon dioxide and they what is it called again? Oh, food and oxygen. They make food and oxygen, and this happened in the chlorophyll, chloroplast, or something, I guess. And here are the definition. Well, I guess you can read it if you want. So photosynthesis is one of the most fundamental biological process on Earth, providing the primary energy source for nearly all life forms. It is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria converts light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in a glucose, a type of sugar. This process not only sustains the plants themselves, but also provides energy to other organisms, including humans that depends on plants for foods. Uh, Photosynthesis occurs primarily in the chloroplast of plant cells, which contain the pigment of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is essential for capturing light energy. The overall process of photosynthesis can be summarized by chemical equation. This equation represent how 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, CO2, and 6 molecules of water, H2O, using light energy are transformed into a molecule of glucose, C6H12O6, and 6 molecules of oxygen, O2. Photosynthesis can be divided into two main stages, the light-dependent reaction and the light-independent reaction, also known as the Calvin cycle. Light-dependent reaction. This occurs in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. During this stage, light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll and other pigments. This energy is used to split water molecules into oxygen, protons, and electrons. The electron move through the electron transport chain, generating ATP and NADPA, which are energy carriers. Oxygen by Oxygen, a byproduct, is released into the atmosphere. Calvin cycle, light-independent reaction. This stage occurs is the strong of the chloroplast, ATP, and the NADPH produced in the light-dependent reaction are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose through a series of enzyme-mediated steps. The Calvin does not require light directly, but depends on the energy derived from the previous stage. Photosynthesis is crucial for life on Earth for several reasons. Oxygen production. The oxygen released during photosynthesis is essential for the survival of aerobic organisms, including humans. Food source. Glucose produced during photosynthesis is used by plants for energy and growth. This energy is transferred to herbivores and subsequently to carnivores, forming a basic of the food chain. Carbon cycle. Photosynthesis play a significant role in regulating atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, helping mitigate climate change. Several environment factors influence the rate of photosynthesis, including light light intensity. Higher light intensity increase the rate of photosynthesis up to a certain point. Carbon dioxide concentration and increase in CO2 concentration can boost photosynthesis rates. Temperatures, photosynthesis is temperature sensitive with an optimal range for most plants. Water availability, water stress can reduce photosynthesis efficiency. In conclusion, photosynthesis is not only the foundation of life on Earth, but also a critical area of scientific research with far-reaching implications for our planet future. Uh, yeah, yeah. So I think that's it. Thanks, I guess. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ame, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the fascinating process that sustains life on Earth. It's called photosynthesis. So, over the next few minutes, we'll talk about what photosynthesis is, how it works, and why it's so essential. Let's dive in. So, photosynthesis is a process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun and then turn them into a chemical energy stored in a glucose or some type of sugar. It's not just vital for plants, but also the cornerstone of life for all living organisms that rely on plants for food and oxygen. And here's are the equations for photosynthesis. In simple terms, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and energy from the sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. To conclude, photosynthesis is the process that sustains life on Earth. It provides oxygen for us to breathe and food for us to eat. Through the life-dependent reaction and carbon cycle, plants transform sunlight into energy and making it playing the critical role in the global ecosystem. And thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if there's any wrong words, and I'll be happy to answer any question you have.